Look here, folks, we get the Traeger. We got some pork chops and hot dogs there. We got some pork chops and hot dogs there. So we flipped that one. And we're gonna wait a little bit, let them cook a little more, and then when they separate from the grill, we'll flip them. Put a little black pepper on them. Look at that, folks. That's a well-seasoned pork chop. We're gonna put some chives. Look at that cheese coming out there, folks. Folks, look here, it's making its own juice. So we're gonna flip them, and then we're gonna come back and season them. Look over here, brats, second set of brats are good. Those are getting a little crispy, that's what we want.